ebusunya showdown bi akoso ewo western region Tarkwa in Swayem ama honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan showdown almost say honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan omo mpe wani mu ahwe ne munsam hunu no ensamfo na na okeka no endie omakeka bi da che honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan ankasa na mpenjifo say inso hwewa kase hwew enkase epampam me omo honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan me na okase ne ni ase ataataa ni so ama okeka nsam hunu a ehu hia biom na me ba be video na kire wo sane Tarkwa nsoyemfo abobo na bo Kennedy Japan enfe ama me na okase no the campaign message na no adani dede ni nsam hunu na yeso na bo Kennedy Japan na ma oka Tarkwa nsoyemfo say masa ahadie nipa enim no ne ye honorable Mrekuduka and Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia oble waka bia ne ye baller. That is what Tarkwa MPP delegate e ka chona bo Kennedy Akompreko Japan and the papa ni sunya papa oda Kennedy Japan o sunya kire sana na wura ho and na afi na afi nsam keka ni nsam hunu ensam a enwu hia ne dede hunu omo se masa obegina na wutwa ntro se na ye seat no and aka 2 na aka 3 enti den central region 22 seats MPP were 4 then out in your farm one kasa ukroma wo free seat out so ye lose all my pepe ni na ba fa enti ye ti na ko pe bebe tena and then some no makibia cho na bo Kennedy Akompreko Japan am no ka say de chesa ya wo sem na me mama asam mo ha ga na nsem TV say de jam ka kire wo say wo hwe mo Facebook so dia hanom e promise the blogger TikTok and so you promise the blogger studios mesra wo unya subscribe to channel on fire subscribe channel on fire say na be fire na be say ya wonye bia den na wa hwe ka kire wo say truth no na me de be bra wo ha je ko tie nsem a Tarkwa nsoyemfo aka kire onabo Kennedy Akompreko Japan showdown na no kasa e kan ye no omo di ama no
ebusia ka say hit me mo bibira akwa ba de ba Kamaris Gary ebusia ende Tarkwa in Swayem polling station executives constituency executives electoral area coordinators former constituency executives metimoso amasore me respect mo mitwa mo salute and a match remo make statement mo bibira hu say wo ba Tarkwa in Swayem a honorable George Mekuduka and Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia in the ultimate choice obi bie ne wo beba ba keka nsem bi amobi aye na agye so okoto aba de amobi foforo obi e making mind the wie Dr. Bawumia ba be kan nsem na wie ye decide ye wie obi e koto aba ma no ebutua 1st to November na Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia eye ne campaign o Western region na oba ne Western region campaign to no ye hu wonders bia na bi sida o Western region and he said ye hu former MPs, former ministers of states, former MMDCs, constituency chairmen, women organizers omo declare their full support edema yero Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye hu electoral area coordinators from constituency upon constituency omo declare support edema yero Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia na videos never out na what is nkofo keka na we no a fluke na omo nyina ya connected omo nyina ya connected omo nyina ya kanawie intina ejebo eje nya babedu yewra Kennedy Japan a start in Western region tour a start in dra na nde odi bedu Tarkwa Nswayem na oba Tarkwa Nswayem nne no wo be making some statement bia ebusia e se nyina yeche ni etie na ye pesempesemu ni ewu se yewra Kennedy Japan eye leaders ye to aba edemana ebusia yewra Kennedy Japan e ba Tarkwa Nswayem no already na Tarkwa Nswayem electoral area coordinators out of 30 electoral area coordinators no emu 26 e declare ade amayewra Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia na yewra Kennedy Japan the campaign team on what Tarkwa Nswayem Nicodemously shamelessly akofa independent candidate akofa NDC for be a group woman eyo mo video edin na me fidie mu say o me polling station executives o me declare the amayewra Kennedy Japan nti o mo say nipa 1255 e declare maken the be hu video be catch am say sa video na na mabontin no deceptive na yewra Kennedy Japan na hwe ni here by the time you better to a baby you when you're broken heart by the time I better to a baby you when you're broken heart you can ask them what you can say. Don't be deceived by that video. Don't be deceived because the police station executive on what happened. They will not do that. I'm on person. And I made emphasis. I released audios of individuals. They claim they have declared their support for Hurricane. Amoka said they went there for money, not to go and support Hurricane. A whole lot of people came on me and attacking me. And then Hurricane in Japan. Let me state emphatically, say, the campaign team of Hurricane in Japan in Tarkwa in Swahili, one, Omar respected the constituency executives in Tarkwa in Swahili. Because the local campaign team, no, they did not invite the constituency chairman and the executives. Omar can't tell me say Hurricane in Bakumha. So as we speak, Hurricane in Japan buy no constituency chairman and constituency secretary one constituency women organizer and constituency youth organizer and deputy women organizer and deputy and communication main and deputy and national coordinator main and deputy secretary main and deputy and research and election one so out of 17 constituency executives in 4 penny 4 out of 17 out of 30 electoral area coordinators no omo do 15 out of 30 in a kobai you can ko about program Tarkwa in Swahili Dr. Alhaji Bawumia ba yehu the inferior na wom obi a baby ahye MPP atare obi baby ahye Kennedy Dr. Alhaji Bawumia atare enda you Kennedy Japan ba ye no obi okọ program na si biara hye le fi atare na de koye obi ase on hye MPP atare mpo na akwene fe ana ken edini nipa be hu because yentimi hye Bawumia atare ne ye yentimi hye Bawumia atare ma ken atare ko mo de ma constituency mo de ma police station executive o manji nto ma hye to bia kokotena o kwaji ni sika na okọ ne baby ye kwase kwaji sika ni akọ e baby ebutia na when ye didi mana first second constituency chairman or Hurricane Japan camp or any campaign coordinator okroma ka say Tarkwa in Swahili constituency leadership amba program no amma forgetting say on one case or coordinator and he did not invite them now when a Hurricane ebeje mic up and say hey he Tarkwa in Swahili for mo who are you mo ye wine mo pese mo chesen say na mo show akeka besem mo show yi na me Kennedy Japan me 2016 me to car say the Western region me ye say the my way mo here for 2016 mo ni sika mo ye here for Kennedy Japan abatakwa be ka Tarkwa for say Honorable George Mekuduka Honorable Ochidaku Mesa Ejapa Mesa Barbara Tinjesi MPC ni omo support your Dr. Bawumia no omo ina ye hia for mba omo ina ye hia for mba omo Kennedy Japan ina omo ina ye yie no cast as we open Tarkwa for say hey can you hold ba ha na je de wo kire no can you hold ba ye can you hold ba ye won ka so che sika ma ye ne yakọ e baby 200 cedi na hold bre chema ye ne yakọ e baby e wona kere Japan buefu o make statement no be say hey o ka ho o say Western region penifo akakabensem na edi omo nti ye lose 15 out of 17 seats e one be say hey o ka ho na ye lose seat no you reckon a real fi say your central region out of 23 constituencies no you were only 9 including ono constituency you lose here nti you reckon and then oba Tarkwa because of inferior intimidation e wa you reckon buefu or say onu Kennedy Japan 31st January otuna bawo asenwia oba Tarkwa no ne duka wo Tarkwa ebe boot for boot na yanso ye catch you Kennedy Japan say we are ready for you Tarkwa Nswayem, we are ready for you. Say, who say? 31st January, 1 year and a tick room high, and see a count bra. Now, we Western region, we are waiting for you. Ye no room ha, a bear boot for boot. Sounds a boot for boot. Ye catch you, I can say. Say, and Hunano. Me call so central, be catch him, say, woman be. I say, Massa, and we run your trap. Into me catch you, I can read upon. Say, in sema ya catch you, say, Tarkwa, your way say, Tarkwa for being support you, Tarkwa be a say, no, and crack, no produce support you in Tarkwa Nswayem. And those who know where your campaign team, they are deceiving you. I'm telling you, they are deceiving you. They are giving you fake numbers. They are giving you fake images. The images they are giving to 80 to 90% of them are not delegate. And in now buy and only when you are baby. The campaign team no more krumha. The umpires on me say they want to prove a point. No beer will say, oh, no, no, Tarkwa Nswayem. Delegates or Motuabano. They are little above 1,336. 1,336 plus. Baby, I'm going to program and to me for nipa more than 500 crowd. Nipa more than 500 per fat. So they chose a venue. Nipa ka krebi ba. E hobayema no be say, hey, normal bo. Me see baby coach omukwe program no. Be wonko program no. If all delegates on what Tarkwa Nswayem decided to come and care a big bua for so. What we be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ban no choir no. A funny for more than 1,500. The U-March auditorium. And no can ayema. What I say? It the deceptive idea of the team. Omo basi independent candidates. Omo supporting independent candidate. Omo nye delegate. Ya baso omo do omaba. NDC for in Afra. Ya baso obi fi Prisia Universe de naba. Ya baso obi fi Hunter West de naba Tarkwa. So at the end of the day no. Omo mu ko program na te do 500. Udi weni aba abehu. Ebusia oba ya no obetre oil. Obetre kwan also obetre oil. Obetre liquid soap ye. Obetre sardine ye. Obetre wine, champagne ye. Oteze in the do Super A1 Company Limited. Super A1 Company Limited. Ne you can the buy oil no the buy mediani. Oil you can the buy no. Mediani Super A1. Sisi I bet me the achi kusua. Besi you can the upon campaign or Western region I tonsio. Messi campaign I but almost real smooth. Me catch you in the Japan. Sa same way. Waka. Nimkophobia canto abet asumeni omega. And nimkophobia can say they will do everything possible. Say Honorable George me could claim as Tarkwa Nswayem. And we are also telling you say Tarkwa Nswayem we are ready for you. We are ready for you any day, anytime. It is why ready. Come, we are ready for you. So we'll see. When you are at Tarkwa at 31st, I see a can bra. The bachelor will say, about the way about two in Chirumi. The bachelor who said, and yet the day campaign. And yam when the confidence about Kruma be catch and say, Duka yeni, or should I queer yeni, way yeni, yet I say, Sikeni, yet I say, yet him. But if say, Yeni Honorable George the Kurikana Kana Sam, Yeni is the party office of Kruma. Who catch it say, Honorable Dukanem Peniform Western region buyer, Ubia Yahi, but me catch say, who campaign coordinator no do any more Kruma party. Honorable George McCrick community mind will be a honor I didn't cut to an chairman or who campaign team members Budo or more community mining, Honorable Duka, community mining. Who campaign a team member, a Dompre campaign constituency campaign coordinator deputy, or you do a community mining company. Make say the second constituency chairman now do it, or you do a community mining scheme on a so your people are deceiving you, they are not telling you the reality. And 31st January will be a big the course what happens to him. Yeah, catch a record in Japan. Say, what say 31st only in the 2 room ha. Yes, you know the 2 room ha. You bet so say, and yet did and a casa. Now, won't me if I send say intimidation now the das central. Won't me first say we run in back room home. Won't me first say we run and back to him ha. You catch open black. Say I have a bien through. Nobody is afraid of you. You are in Japan. Nobody is afraid of you. And we are ready for you on 31st. So also don't remember bar from member bra. You come my channel. On 31st in your behu. You pour a crow in there. 31st in your behu. So over to me if you are sent. And will true trust them now. Only that since central now would do one in their back room. We are ready for you. Now you over the tree of room. Me am say pressure in a coup because honorable Judge Mekuru can decide not to support you. And in Tia and honorable Dukanti, Western region will win. Into the Obey Biano, you are Japan. Super A1, ye catch or say, Tarkwa in Soyem, ye decide ye Western region, ye decide ye. Nay, I should year 2026, no. 5 constituencies in our Western region, Pansha. 2 constituencies in Western region. In this also 31st, only in the 2 room we are ready for you. And on 31st, Ghana will be a better or
this is what Timu 40 Mua or Row Kawa for Betty. Takwan Soyum for run about Canada, compare Kunwe Japan, aka a sin for Su Elon Musk, Ekawa the Fana Betty. I'm away educator at talk about for my no Cassadia. Honorable Canada compare with Japan. They can't put money and what you say. Who? You see, Honorable Canada compare with Japan is losing the election to the extent say on 31st January 2026. Honorable Canada compare with Japan will be humiliated and he will be disgraced to a certain level. I'm not the one saying it. The figures and the facts and everything that is coming out is telling you that Honorable Kennedy Akompeko Japan is not liked by the delegate of the new Patriotic Party, and therefore he is going to lose the election on the 1st of January 2026. This is facts. The current information, global info analytics at the Abanicho say, Honorable Kennedy Akompeko Japan is losing currently even 10 to 11% of voters from Twabamano in the last election 2023. No, as to side, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia telling you that Honorable Kennedy Akompeko Japan is going to lose this election to the extent that he is going to realize that he has done the most useless campaign ever in his life, ever since a politician. And that's the reason I'm telling you that Branabeka team, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia team, near Fawo and Fa a young with a concrete pneumonia and preserve you. It's answer Anomonia Safon Kwana, what Jimia, Untima Bekayam. It is no one in a mamu. Now we do not Canada appoint somebody Dr. Bawumia Chamina and say, Yashimo no monso after 31st. The better may be a Modibo party no more. Party in the Bay Area on 31st of January. A Bay Area we are. The better war, maybe a bit in any baby in Yakasa. Some and I'm going to say, yeah, and you control Ghana. Then you control the new Patriotic Party. And for now, the giant states in the Mamosa Mobile. See, yeah, the young Casabe Bray. Yeah, the answer meaning I know a good on and say. Namia Doma 31st. You will go grown so kama their mamma. And to be another 31st January. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be declared as the flag bearer of the new Patriotic Party, the flag bearer elect of the new Patriotic Party. Wow, say election 2028. But then you know, Eguso had promised the blogger. Higher Ghana and Sem TV. Yentie in some so aka. The debate was so at the Yamam. Yambong William. Niente in someone, Ecosono, Embra.